Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Travel with Ridan. So today in this video we are going to Milan, a beautiful city of Italy and the fashion capital, very famous for its Duomo church which was also shown in Money Heist. So let's go and explore this beautiful city. So today we are leaving from Venice. I hope you have watched our video of Venice and liked it. So similarly, now we are going from Venice to Milan. The journey is around 2.5 hours. So we'll reach Milan around 8:30, and we have booked an apartment through Airbnb. So after that, we'll explore the city tomorrow and day after tomorrow. We also plan to visit the Lake Como, which is a beautiful lake in Italy near the Switzerland border. So we'll try to see that as well. Let's go. In this travel series, you would have seen that we have taken a lot of trains in the Europe from different countries like in Austria, Prague. Now we are also exploring Italy through train. So let me show you the Italian trains as well. We have reached Milan and this is my first visit to Milan. So I'm really excited about this beautiful city. So the train had come exactly on time and our stay, like always, is just 1 kilometer from here. So first we'll go and check into the apartment which we have booked and then plan for tomorrow. So let me give you a quick tour of our house. So that's the kitchen as we enter on the left, and this is the hall, which is kind of made as 2 bed plus 1 extra bed here for us. And then when we enter, this is the bathroom, and this is another room which we have got. There are 2 other rooms which are for staff only. We'll not be using them. The nice cozy apartment here, very close to the railway station. So we took a metro train from the place where we are staying, Loreto, and we are going to Duomo, which is costing us €2.20 per person. And this is the station. From here it is going to take 15 minutes to reach. Kids travel is free here in metro. That's why we didn't have to take for my son. So that's the station of Duomo. We've reached. Hardly took us 10-12 minutes. So we just came out of the metro from here, and right next to it is the Duomo. And these are those shopping malls from where you have a beautiful view, I think in the front as well. So let's explore this place. So as you see, there is a lot of crowd here in Duomo. Obviously this is because a lot of people want to capture the beauty of this marvel. It took close to 500 years to build this. If you're planning, you can go inside the cathedral and also at the top to see the view of this entire Milan city. Otherwise, you can go to one of these restaurants up there to click a picture of Duomo without the disturbance here. So we'll try to go and search one of these and take a aerial shot from there and show you. So honestly speaking, there's a lot of people here, and with this you can imagine how people have started realizing that traveling is very essential in life. And look at that beautiful view behind me of Duomo, one of the most iconic places here in Italy, Milan. So if you are aware, Milan is very famous for its fashion, food and arts. So you also must be aware that Italy is very famous for pizza and pasta. Similarly, the artists here are very famous. It is a fashion capital along with London, Paris and other places. So I'm just enjoying this beautiful place here. So let me show you some other views from this place. Right now I am in the Emanuel Gallery. So this is right next to the Duomo, and here is the famous bull here. So it is believed that if you spin 3 times, it brings a lot of good luck. So we are going to try that as well. So all the malls nearby to Duomo are ultra luxury, and then you can do nice shopping here if you like some of these brands. So Ridan is taking us to the top of this mall to show an aerial view of Duomo. He says that he has seen a video which had shown from where to watch. So it seems there are 5 to 6 floors here, and we have to go at the top. So this is that restaurant from where you can have a closer view of Duomo instead of going inside the cathedral and at the top. This is an alternate place which you can come to, and you can see how many people have come here. Honestly, I didn't know this place. It was Ridan who brought us here. Beautiful. If you wish to have a lunch or dinner here at this place, that is also worth. So we had gone top of that mall, and then from there we were able to see this view. Unfortunately, there's some construction or something going on, some renovation, because of which we could not see the entire gallery inside, but from the behind this is the view. If you wish to go up, you can buy ticket online, and this is the gate 3 from where you will have an entrance. There seems to be one group priority and fast track options available. So that's another place from where you can buy your tickets and go inside the Duomo. And in front of me you can see the Vittoria Emanuele II gallery where we spent some time back. Look at the crowd here. There are a lot of people who are here to enjoy their Christmas and New Year vacation. I hope you are enjoying this video. If yes, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and family.
And there is Bumblebee.
It's time to leave Duomo and end our video here. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel Travel with Vedant. So today in this new video we are going to a very beautiful lake in Italy, very close to Switzerland, which is Lake Como. In this video we will let you know how to plan a day trip to Lake Como and what are the areas you can cover nearby to the lake,